Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we are going to make these very beautiful crochet made loafers for small babies. We have to make our smart children more smart. These loafers are slightly tricky to make. We'll start from the bottom and in the center. So let's start. First we'll make a slip knot. Then we'll make 12 chains, 10 for center and 1 for sides. 12 chains are for base and 3 more chains we'll make which will work for 1 double crochet. So total we'll make 15 double crochets. So for round 1 we'll skip first 3 chains and we'll make 1 double crochet in first, 10 double crochets in next 10 stitches. We'll bifurcate 1 plus 10 plus 1. 10 double crochets we are making. We have made 10 double crochets excluding the first 2. First 2 will not count and 10 double crochets will make in the mid and the last stitch will make 5 double crochets. In the same stitch we'll make 5 double crochets. Now we'll turn and we'll make another 10 crochets in the back side. 1 double crochet in each stitch. So we'll make 10 double crochets as we made in the front side. Ten double crochets we have made. Now you must have noted that 2 double crochets we made in the starting, 1 double crochet plus 3 chains. So we'll make 3 double crochets in the same chain where we had made first double crochet. So total here also we'll have 5 double crochets. we'll attach with the help of slip stitch, and for our convenience we'll jump 2. Here our first round ends and we start our round 2. We have 10 stitches in the center. First 4 we'll knit single crochet, next 2 half double crochet, and next 4 we'll knit 4 double crochet. This is so to give broader shape of the foot at the front side. One side of 10 stitches we have completed, and now we have 5 double crochets here. So we'll make 2 double crochet in every chain, and after this round we'll have 10 double crochets at this side. Ten double crochets were made in this side. So for the mid 10 stitches we'll make like 4 double crochets, 2 half double crochets, and 4 single crochets as we made in the starting. And at this corner we'll make 2 single crochets in each chain. So after this round we'll have 10 single crochets at this side. Now round 3 starts. First the mid 10 double crochets, now at this side we have 10 double crochets. Simply we'll double the double crochets. We'll make 2 double crochets in each stitch. So after this round we'll have 20 double crochets at this side. Now 10 double crochets in the mid, 10 double crochets we have made. Now in this side we will not double, simply we will make one double crochet in each chain, and after this round we will have 10 double crochets at this side. After this round, our sole for the shoe is ready. Our round 3 is complete. We are going to start our round 4, which is very simple. We'll make one single crochet in each stitch. We'll not increase or decrease any stitch anywhere. Round 5 is different. We'll make single crochet, but we'll pick single crochet from below the already single crochet we made. We'll not pick up the chain, we'll pick from below. We'll make one single crochet all over. From now we'll start the upper portion of the shoe. So we'll make 2 rounds of half double crochets. Simply we'll make one half double crochet in each stitch. Will not increase or decrease any stitch anywhere. Two rounds we have completed. Now we'll make single crochet, not all over. We'll leave 14 stitches and we'll make single crochet at the rest of the stitches. Now 14 stitches we have left. We'll decrease 2 stitches here. We'll make double crochets here, not half double crochet. We'll make total there are 14 stitches. First 3 stitches we'll make with double crochet. Here we'll skip 1 and make another 6 double crochets. This is so to give slightly tight at the top, that is above the ankle. One stitch more we'll skip and we'll make 3 another double crochets. So we had 14 stitches, so now we have 12 double crochets after this round. We have attached with the help of slip stitch. Now this round again is tricky to make. We'll make single crochet, not simple. We'll make back single crochet in the reverse order. Simply we have to reverse. Likewise, we'll make one back single crochet in every chain. This round we have also completed. We'll attach the thread at the back neatly. We'll make one more round of back single crochets at the chain we had left. We'll make back single crochet in each chain. These two rounds give the shoes ultra beauty. Outlining. Now we fold the shoe and in the central 6 chains At the broader side, we'll knit with single crochet. We'll take from the back 3 this side and 3 and that side, total 6 single crochets we'll make, taking from below. We'll make total 10 rows. Here we have 6 single crochets. After 10th rows we'll have 10 single crochets. We'll attach, we'll pick 2 single crochets from side and increase one by one, and after 10th rows we'll have total 10 single crochet. We'll pick 2 single crochets from side and one will decrease, total 1 single crochet will be increased in one round. So when there are 10 single crochets, after that round we'll not increase any stitch, we'll skip 2. And one thing more, we'll make single crochets not taking the full chain. We'll always take back side of the chain. 10 rows we have completed. Now we have 10 stitches. So 11th row we'll make with double crochets. We'll pick 2 single crochets and we'll make 10 double crochets in each chain. And we'll attach with the help of slip stitch, skipping the first, taking the next one. We'll slip stitch it. We'll attach the extra thread at the back side neatly. I have made this pattern 10 double crochets. I have made 10 chains and 10 double crochets simply, and will attach at the front side with the help of needle. Now we make laces. For that we'll take sufficiently length wool and we'll make laces. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon by the side. We'll tie the laces and attach here with the help of needle. I am eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.